I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
This one's wild. A woman who says she's a sovereign citizen gets totally shut down by the judge in court. The case is about her driving without insurance, but she says the law doesn't apply to her because she's not a citizen. She tries to argue, but ends up looking silly. The judge isn't having any of it. If you like crazy court moments like this, stick around.
Please.
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, not this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
as
or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. It has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Who does this lady think she is? She says the case should be dropped because she's a foreign alien and the law doesn't count for her. That makes no sense. If you're driving on public roads, you have to follow the law, including having insurance. It's called implied consent. Just saying random legal stuff won't change that. What do you think? Should people like this even be taken seriously?
At your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed?
Or
if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate,
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is the show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Now things really heat up. She starts yelling, and the judge breaks down her arguments one by one. She acts like getting car insurance is some big government trick, but it's just basic safety. The judge stays firm and gives her a reality check. But instead of stopping, she keeps making things worse for herself. Let's see how the next part of this mess plays out.
I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay, so I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity to...
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for... No, ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Viera Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Viera Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact.
Every time one of these sovereign citizens says they're an attorney of fact, it just sounds like nonsense. They act like saying magic words will win them the case. But court doesn't work like that. If you want to represent yourself like a lawyer, you actually need a license. You can't just make up rules because you feel like it. They're totally disconnected from reality.
You to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC.
I
will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Viera Sherelle Williams. Are you present, ma'am? John Viera Williams. Are you present twice? John Viera Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Viera Williams, the agent.
Okay. So John Viera Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have John Viera Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Viera Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Whose side are you on, this sovereign citizen or common sense? Personally, I think the judge did great. She stayed calm, followed the law, and didn't let this craziness slide. Some judges give in, but not her. She handled it the right way. What do you think? Should she have been even tougher? If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more crazy court clips. Thanks for watching.